Hi, this is Ian at Wirral Computer Services. I've got a DC jack repair for a HP G62 today. First thing we're going to do, obviously, as normal when doing a DC jack repair, is check the cable, check the adapter. There's already been a repair made on this adapter, as you can see. So let's see if that's okay. So we've got our monitor, our multimeter set up. And everyone did a clip on the back of this. Pain in the bum. Okay, and now let's put the black on the outside, hold it into position, and the red on the inside. And we're getting voltage, can't see the whole thing. Just under 13 volts, which I'm happy is about right for this type of adapter. I can't see, hang on, oh yes, there it is. So it says the output should be 18.5 volts. Let's try that again. So we're not getting sufficient voltage off the voltmeter. And it's pretty steady, just under 13 volts. Okay. This has actually been referred to me by another company. Works slightly outside my area, so they bought me this one. So I'm going to check it. Let's see if there's anything that we can do with it. Okay, let's move the voltmeter out of the way. Okay, let's whip this battery out. Battery's out. Okay, let's move the cover. There's the touchpad off. That has exposed where the DC jack is. There it is. Nothing holding it in, I don't think. So we'll pull it out. It's a wonderful way of doing it. Okay. So there's our DC adapter removed. This is our part that needs to be replaced, I would imagine. We're going to now put this down. And study this part. Okay. So we were getting different voltages across different connectors. Usually you only have 4 wires on this adapter. You can see that it's multicoloured, there's lots of adapters. So it possibly works like an ordinary power unit where it's got 3 volts, 5 volts and 12 volts. And that's why we're only getting 13 volts before, and it breaks it down. So that 13 plus 5 plus 3 is 18 and a half, which is what the adapter is meant to give out. So we could have just we could have been only getting one reading, and I've been while I've been moving the pin about, ignoring the 3s and the 5s as background noise. It's not, so that's possibly why that's given that. So hi, this is Ian at Wirral Computer Services. Today we're going to be completing our DC jack repair for our HP G62. The part has arrived today. It took rather a long time for the part to come, unfortunately. Normally I turn them around in about 2 days, this sort of repair, between 1 and 2 days, but unfortunately this part was very difficult to source. And with the bank holiday it messed it up a little bit, but we're on track now. We've got it there to install. So this could be easier at this stage. We need to align the jack so it's the right way round for the socket that receives it. Pop it in there, it clicks into place in this particular model. There we are. There's some little tags that we feed the cable in through, and it actually goes on to connect so on the other side of the board, so we just stick that through the gap, through the hole for now. I love this series of HP. They're very easily designed. I'm just going to give this a brush on the back here. There's a bit of dust. I've already brushed this, I think. Oh, excuse me. So we can put the connector for the DC jack into place. Clicks into place easily. let's start screwing this back together. Oops. Okay, now we've got the adapter plugged in. This is the adapter that came with it. Like I said, there's already been a repair on there, done elsewhere, not by myself. But let's see if this is good now. We're still not getting any life. There. we have the problem with the head. The connection is poor. We're going to have a look at this repair. This repair has nothing to do with me, so I'm going to see what work has been done to this. Probably a home job, because I mean I wouldn't use earth coloured insulating tape on a black adapter. That's just personally. Goodness me. There's some crack there. The cables don't look like they're broken. push this down. I bet there's some damage in here. We just took the outer cover off there. Reveal the adapter head. I'm going to repair this join from here to there, from dither to dither, by throwing a little bit of solder over that point. This laptop, by the way, is already mended, so we can get that out of the way. We'll do this adapter repair and then we are the job's good. Just get this pad out of the way, get my soldering kit out. Need to get the rest of it through. And voila! 19.33 volts coming through. Perfect. Just disconnect this. Now we need to just tidy it up. We can get rid of our soldering iron, that's not needed anymore. And a solid 19.3. That is solid, it's just me moving. There we go. So let's try it for real now. And the camera stopped just as I was about to press the button. There we go. On. Have I plugged it in? Puzzling. Yeah, that's right, voltage. Let's get it. Well, that was working before. try the other adapter on it again. Make sure that the DC jack repair is good. And that works. So come on. We're not getting the right. So we should see 19 on that, on the inside outside like that, and then 13 on the middle pin. We're not getting that. Far easier to see now, but we won't get that plastic bit back now. So there we are, all three contacts are attached. I'm going to tidy that up a little bit. Table, brilliant. Put your pad down. Okay, just do one more test just to reset the power. Hopefully we're not getting any bleed through, any shorts. So on that side we should get 19. Exactly the same as what we got before, but this middle pin nearly 14. Let's see if that's got it. Plug it in. The lights come on, yay! Switch it on. Yes! Job done! Brilliant. Go off. Oops.